Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply a bokeh overlay onto your videos in CapCut PC. I don't know how to say it, so excuse my pronunciation, but just going to select this overlay here. Not going to say it again. Then you're going to go to the blend mode section, and you're just going to select whichever blend mode you want. There's this one, which is the overlay one, but if it's a little bit too much, you can adjust it. There's the soft light one, which I do quite like. And you can basically replace it with other overlays you want here. Okay, I'm just going to use this one then. Then I'm just going to select soft light. Soft light is the best one in my opinion, but you can just play around with these settings if you'd like to. Or if you'd like to, you can also add in an effect, but it is a pro feature, like the, where is it? Like these ones. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.